College move-in chaos is coming to Fort Smith, and the clock is ticking for students and locals alike. The University of Arkansas Fort Smith, UAFS, has officially locked in its move-in schedule for fall 2025, with freshmen kicking off the process on August 13th, and general student arrivals following on August 15th. But here's the twist. The university isn't just opening the floodgates. To avoid campus gridlock, they're implementing staggered time slots, a system that sparked both praise and frustration in past years. Let's unpack what you need to know. Freshmen will get first dibs on Wednesday, August 13th, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m, with volunteers from the unmistakable Numa's move-in crew, clad in neon shirts you can't miss, ready to haul mini fridges and dorm decor. Nabholz Construction is even throwing a free cookout lunch, because nothing says welcome to college like burgers and camaraderie. 2 days later, on Friday, August 15th, returning students will swarm the Lion's Den and Sebastian Commons during the same hours. Now here's where locals might groan. Waldron Road and Grand Avenue will likely become parking lot nightmares during these windows. The university insists its time slot system, emailed to students in advance, will ease the crunch. But let's be real, does any move-in day ever go smoothly? Pro tip, pack your patience in a water bottle. And this is the part most people miss. Not everyone waits until mid-August. International students, Cub Camp leaders, and athletes from volleyball and cross-country teams start arriving as early as August 8th. Why? Think orientation logistics and pre-season training, the behind-the-scenes hustle that keeps campus life running. Controversy alert. While UAFS's planning seems airtight, some critics argue staggered move-ins disadvantage students with tight schedules or off-campus jobs. Is this a fair trade-off for smoother traffic? Sound off in the comments. We want your take. For those prepping their dorm essentials, UAFS's official move-in guide, linked here, https://uafs.edu/studentlife/housing, covers everything from shower caddies to parking maps. But tell us, what's your #1 move-in day survival tip? Share your wisdom or your horror stories below.